Hey y'all. So it's the Slot Slayer coming to you from Tampa Hard Rock at a Panda Magic. These are the progressives. Today we're going to do a slot challenge, $20. A $20 slot challenge. I'm only going to be doing minimum bets, maybe about 4 or 5 different machines, and let's just see what we can do. So I got actually $21 in the machine. Um, like I said, 50-cent bets. We need 3 of these lanterns or 6 orbs. Let's go. Oh, third spin in, and we already have the bonus. So I think that the challenge is going to be either you double your money or once you get in a bonus, then you get the cash out. Let's go. And we have a re-trigger on 50 cents. Oh, come on, line up something. Is the machine broken? All these re-triggers and we don't have anything. Merry Christmas Eve. I'm in here and it's very, very early. It's so many people in here already. Wow, we have all those re-triggers and nothing. Come on. I guess I made my money off the re-trigger. At least give me an oil brown. Come on, y'all. 3 more. One more. Oh, the miner just went by. So $5.94. So we're up 24.94. I'm gonna do a few backup spins. I might play down to 20 just to see if we get anything else. Oh, 2 more. 4 more. Oh, 1 more. Oh, here's the miner. That'd have been a great bonus. Got our bet back. And we have one more spin right here. Yeah, so I'm gonna cash out right here. So we're gonna cash out even right here. Um, third spin in, we had 3 re-triggers. The Panda Magic that I really want to play, they are changing out the cartridges. So hopefully by the time I get to another machine and then head over that way, that machine will be open. But I'm just gonna go to the next machine and then I'll come back to you. So we're back at a Silk Rose machine. That same $20.37 ticket in. These are the progressives. We're only going to do minimum bets on 50 cents and see what we come up with. We need 3 of these camels or 6 of those orbs. Oh, 2 more. Either we double our money, or when we get at orb round, we can cash out. Say clock out. He's wild. 15-cent kickback. I'm gonna be honest. I don't have really a lot of faith in this machine. Silk Road is not one of my favorites. I find this machine kind of tough. Oh, that would have been fantastic if 3 more would have lined up with it. Oh, 1 more. We're not even hardly seeing any line hits on this machine. 1 more. Oh, that would have been great. This is actually painful. 36-cent line hit. The major is at 856 here, so just naturally I would expect this machine to play tough, but because the major is high, but my goodness. So we've seen a lot of 3 orbs or 2 of the bonus symbols. A big tease on 50 cents. 3 more. That's gonna be a decent line hit. $1.95. $1.75. So it's either been 2 of these or 3 orbs. That's what we've seen so far. Oh, 4 more. 3 orbs. Got our bet back. Oh, 3 more. 2 more. Okay, so we're gonna choose the dragon. So far we are down $20. The first machine we broke even. The second machine, this is the second one. We're down $20, and I'll come back to you when I get to the next machine. So this is a slot slayer coming to you from a Genghis Khan. This is the slot slayer coming to you from a Genghis Khan. These are the progressives. We got the $20 in there. We're only gonna do minimum bets, and let's see what we can do. We need 3 of those guys on the horse or 6 orbs. See, can I turn up the sound? There's some sound on this machine. I don't think there is, actually. I think this is the one that doesn't have any sound. Oh, one more. We either double our money or we either double our money or get a bonus. Seeing some decent kickbacks on 50 cents. Got our bet back. We've been seeing the bonus symbol, but not a lot of orbs. Oh, two more. Come on, Genghis. Give us a bonus. Three more, two more. Oh, go ahead and drop the minor and a $25 ball right here on 50 cents. Hey, go ahead and give us the major. Three more. Oh, ooh, goodness, I don't see how people sit and do this on 50 cents. This is actually painful. Come on, gang, let's give us something. Three more. Oh, look at the indecision on that. Come on. Got the nines. I've actually got some decent bonuses on 50 cents, some decent sized orbs. Doesn't look like the day is going to be that day, but I definitely have. I won a major on 50 cents. $900 major on Spring Festival. That would have been a decent bonus with those orb sizes. Oh, come on, Genghis. Give us something. We are seeing line hits at 50 cents. That's definitely for sure. That's keeping us in the game. We definitely are seeing line hits. Come on, gang. It's time. Oh, Lord, it's too early in the morning to be up banging on these people keys like this. Oh, like it don't make no sense. That button is disabled during the bonus, so tapping it won't. It's not gonna make the ball stop. Oh, I seen the major roll by. Come on, gang. Let's give us something good. And it's so early in the morning. There's so many machines open. It really it. Oh, we got some bonus, y'all. But people, I don't know why people want to sit next to people that are clearly recording and make all that noise. So we got into a bonus. Let's hope we get into an orb round, or at least it's something good. Those multipliers are what you want. Come on. Oh, I didn't mean to stop it. Come on, gang. Give me a whole screen of multipliers. That's going up top. Maybe we'll get our $20 back at least. $29. That's awesome. So that's what I like about gang is the fact that they are multipliers. Oh, that's gonna be pretty. I think that may go up top too. $16. I think I messed up our chance to get into an oil brown though because I pressed the button. But I'm just gonna do a few backup spins. I'll probably spin down to 50 and then we'll call that a $20 session. So I'm up. So we're now up what $10 because I think we were down 20 before. Got to kick back. Oh, one more. Back to back. There you go. Okay. So this is the slot slayer. We put in $20 here. We're cashing out 50. We were down 20. I'm sorry, y'all. I think we're up like 30. I don't know what's going on with my math this morning. It's early. But I'll come back to you when we get to another machine. So this is the slot slayer coming to you guys. I'm at a heartthrob. I have $20 in. I was having some issues with the machine earlier, but it looks like they fixed it. This is the progressives. We're only going to do minimum bet. It looks like it's working now. Um, yeah, it looks like it. We're only going to do 50-cent spins, and either we double our money or we get into a bonus. So those diamonds are wild. You need 3 of those moons or 6 of those hearts. This bonus is also like Genghis Khan, where it's multipliers. So that's why I like this particular Lightning Link machine. Got 40 cents back. Uh, Look at the indecision on that. 2 moons and 3. That would have been fantastic either way. That button's a little sticky. It comes from people banging. $1.16 back. Come on, heartthrob. Hmm. 2 more. I barely even touched the button. It's fun. So once again, line hits definitely are keeping us in the game. And since we're not seeing much else go on. Wow, this button don't get on my nerves, y'all. Come on, heartthrob. Let us see something. Let them at least see the bonus. This particular machine, I play it often. It's usually pretty good at like the 250, 250 to like 375 bet range. That's just the way this particular casino has it. Has the return to player set. It was a whole screen of diamonds. Make it exciting. At least let it go up top. $3 kickback. That's not bad for 50 cents. Oh, 2 more moons. Come on. Come on, heartthrob. Give us something. Give us something. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. So we're seeing a lot of 1 moons or 2 hearts. That's it. Wow. Come on, heartthrob. Oh, why did they keep going with the diamonds? I could have went up top. At least do that. You're not gonna give it three more. But there's the other three I was looking for. Uh, Definitely seeing one moon. And one moon only. $1.60. So kickbacks are definitely keeping us in this. Lightning links, dragon links, the kickbacks are important. That's what keeps you playing. Why do you keep going with the diamonds? Oh, that was okay. So that did go up top, $5.85. So we're back at $14. Three more. Three more. Come on. Mm. Oh, a moon short. There it is, right there. Shut up on the next reel. Three more. Yeah, that button get on my nerves. I can't press that. Two more. One more. Oh, that $10 would have been great. One more. Oh, look at that. It's not like this major is high. This machine, like I said, I play this one pretty often, and normally I don't get anything until I hit like that 250 bet amount. So come on, $3.40. Come on, Heartthrob, give us something good. Can't complain really too bad. No, we may not get into a bonus, but we definitely have seen the kickbacks for this machine. Uh, Come on, Heartthrob. That would have been good too. Oh, you're killing me with the two moons. Got about two more spins. Yep, this is the last spin. Press the bolt. Yep, that's it. So this is a slot slayer. We put 20 in. We lost 20. And I'll come back to you when we get to the next machine. This is the slot slayer coming to you from a Panda Magic. These are the progressives. These are the numbers. We got the $20 in for the $20 challenge. We're only going to do minimum bets. Let's see what we can get. We need three of those red lanterns. One more. Or six orbs. Fireballs, whatever you want to call them. Come on, Panda. Panda's probably my favorite. Oh, you're going to tease us, huh? Somebody just hit the major on this not too long ago. So, hold on, y'all, let me fix it. There we go. Oh, one more. There we go. So we're either gonna double our money or get into an oil round. Come on, drop that minor. Save it. Oh, come on. Save it, save it, save it, save it, save it, save it, save it. Thank you. Come on. Save it. Come on. Last spin. Save it, save it, save it, save it, save it. Oh, I seen that minor roll by. Go ahead and drop that minor. Go ahead and drop the minor. Go ahead and drop that minor. Huh. Go ahead and give me the grand. I'll save the grand. If we get the grand on 50 cents, that would be so. And last spin. At least let it flash for me. So we're up $13. Um, hmm. Let's play down to 25. We'll be up $5. I hate to not do a backup spin. Backup spins are just in me. But we'll play down a bit. But we know we did make a profit at this 20. I mean, on this machine. Oh, two more. Oh, one more. One more. Oh, those two lanterns are so definitely teasing the two lanterns on this one at 50 cents. But still a lot of action going on. Okay, so we're gonna cash out at 2025. We put 20 in. We got a bonus, and we're gonna move to the next machine. Hey, hey! So we're at a happy and prosperous. We got $20 in. These are the progressives. Let's see what we can do. We're only gonna do minimum bet, bonus or bust. Let me try to see if there's some sound. Okay. We need 3 of those pops or 6 orbs. Oh, one more pot. Buddha's Wild, of course. Come on, Buddha. Make us happy and prosperous. Started off kind of active. It slowly dwindled, or quickly dwindled. Come on, happy and prosperous. 25% kickback. Maybe I should have picked a machine with a lower major, but 700 is not really, I mean, we're already a third. It's been 2 minutes and we're already down to $9. Come on. Come on, two more. Three more. Come on. Two more. One more. Teas. One more. So we're getting the two pots of the five. Oh, two, oh, one. Y'all, that would have been so good. Cheese. One more pot. Come on. There we go. So we're in a bonus. At least let it could be good. Drop those big oars we just saw. Drop those big orbs. Come on. Wow. Come on. Three more. So we got a $4 bonus. I'm gonna do one backup spin. Yeah, I'm not even gonna waste. I'm not even gonna waste the 50 cents on this. So we put $20 in. We're gonna cash out $8.24, and I'll come to you from the next machine for the $20 challenge. So we're here at a Golden Century. We got a $20 in. These are the progressives, the numbers. Let's see what we can do. We're only gonna do minimum bets for the $20 challenge. We need 3 of those flags or 6 of those fireballs. Shit. Hank is wild. Come on. Oh, come on. Golden Century. One more. Oh, one more. 55-cent kickback. Well, at least we are seeing orbs. We are seeing the correct symbols. One more flag. Oh, we're in a bonus here. Go ahead and drop the major. Three more. Oh, blocked it. Let it be him. That's going up top, y'all. So we got our $20 back. One more flag. Ain't that something? There are the orbs we were looking for. Can't complain though, y'all. We're gonna do a few more spins. So I think we'll play down to maybe what, 35 maybe? We'll play down to 35. See if we catch something else. See if we can get an orb round. Come on, Hank, give us an orb round. 4 more. So we are gonna walk away with some money. I'm gonna probably do one more machine. Probably try to find an autumn moon. Um, one more spin here. Yeah, we're gonna cash out right here. So we are gonna walk away from the challenge with some money. But I'm gonna go and try to find an autumn moon, and that'll be our last machine. Hey, this is Slot Slayer. So we're at our last machine. We're at our autumn moon. We have 2074 in. These are the progressives. We're only gonna do minimum bets for the $20 challenge. See what we can do. Somebody just hit the major on this. See if there's some sound. So we need 6 of those fireballs, or I'll show you or 3 moons. 3 of those moons to get in the bonus. 45-cent kickback. Music is loud. Like it's early in the morning for that music to be that dang on loud. Okay. 45-cent kickback. I'm on autumn. That's gonna be a nice $6.70. So we're back up over our $20 bankroll. Come on, autumn. Come on, Miss Moon. Bonus or bust. Oh, I'm not really feeling the gameplay. Not a lot of action from the very beginning. That's kind of how I gauge a machine that I'm going to play. If I don't see a lot going on from the beginning, I move. And that could be just my ADHD. We needed one more of those. Come on, Miss Moon. Come on, Miss Moon. This is a good way to kind of kill a Saturday, though. You come in with maybe $100 or $200 in 20s, and just sit and just casually play. Have a few drinks. You're not gonna lose on every single machine. So as we just saw, you're not gonna lose on every single one. So come on, Miss Moon, get us in a bonus. Come on, Miss Moon. That's gonna be a pretty decent kickback. We're still with the 2 moons. Come on. So you're not seeing a lot of fireballs here. I would never, if I wasn't making this video, I'd have moved by now. It's not enough. Not enough. Come on, Miss Moon. Uh, Come on, Miss Moon. 3 more orbs. 9s. Do something to make it kind of exciting. So we are seeing the line hits. One more moon. There we go. So we're in the bonus, y'all. I am not I'm not really excited about it, but we'll see. Typically, when you're on a certain denomination and it's not very active, the bonus won't be either. Come on, orbs. Come on, give me some orbs. I want an orb round. Her. Orbs. Mm. Oh, y'all, two more orbs. For um, a $9.35 bonus. Put us back close to our bankroll. We started with $20. I'm gonna do one backup spin right here, and I'm gonna call this a session because there's just not a lot of activity going on. But this is the slot player coming to you with the $20 challenge, and I'll see you next time. Bye. So y'all, I moved next door to a autumn moon that was next to me and put $20 in just on my own. Um, these are the progressive. These are the numbers, and I was still doing the 50 cents, and I got into a bonus round. So see, I already got the mini. I'm gonna drop that minor. Come on, save it, save it, save it, save it, save it. So we got off of $20. We just made that money back with those two orbs. Save it, save it, save it, save it, save it, save it, save it. Thank you. Come on, save it. Thank you. Go ahead and drop the minor or the major. The major's at 700. Go ahead and drop that minor or major, even another mini. Come on, save it, save it, save it. Last spin, save it. Thank you. Another mini. So that's $30 right there. Oh, go ahead and give me the grand. It's the second machine that I sat down to want to give me the grand. Come on, Autumn. Go ahead and give me the grand. At least let it blink. I've never even seen it flash. Come on. The grand is at 13,460. We're gonna wait a few seconds. And last spin. So we made $40. So we doubled our, basically doubled our money. I think I'll spin down to 50. And we're gonna call this a session. Bye. Y'all, so I'm still at that same machine. I in fact did not. I have been in two bonuses since I left you guys. Because I just was just gonna play for myself personally without filming. But this machine is kind of hot on 50 cents. Oh, I just was in a moon bonus and I didn't record it. Come on, save it, save it, save it. Save it, save it, save it, save it, save it, save it, save it. I won't do it. This machine is kind of hot on 50 cents. It's something about playing when you're not recording. It's just different for some reason. Oh, one more. This machine is really hot on 50 cents. I think I may play down to half on this. I don't think I will record it. I think I'm gonna play down to half um, on this denomination. I won't record it, but I'll come back to you guys if we get something else. So I upped it to the dollar, y'all. That 50 cent is kind of nerve wracking. I don't see how people do that for a long period of time. And I got in another bonus. So let's see. Come on. Save it, save it, save it. I knew it. The spin was too short. Last spin. Go ahead and save it. Save it, save it. Thank you. Save it. Thank you. And last spin, save it, save it, save it, save it, save it, spin too short. This machine is definitely playable. Almost makes me want to cash out and put it in a fresh 100. 26 bucks. I'll come back to you if you get anything else. I'll do a backup spin with you guys on. Yeah, I'll come back to you if you get something else.